you look at, for example, things like Facebook and all these social networking things, it's literally the way that you and I grew up. It just on steroids. It's networking on steroids, right?
Yeah.
But one of the things that I tell people all the time: don't just go out there with the sake of network and just giving your card. Go out there with the sake of connecting with other people, finding common ground, finding things that you guys would be alike, find things that they like to personally talk about, so that you guys can relate to each other and are able to go ahead and actually connect to a whole new different level. Do you agree?
Absolutely. I have a 5-step formula for connecting. You want to make a personal connection. So you really do. The first step is you want to find some common ground quickly. Because at the end of the day, whether you're dealing with an individual or a corporation, you're still dealing with another person. Brian Kramer talks human to human, right? Mm-hmm. So you want to make a personal connection. Second thing you want to go do is you want to find out what's most important. So let me ask you a question, just right now. What is most important to you personally? What's most important to you in business right now?
I think about it, it's kind of like it's a long answer for that, but I think that anybody that lives in a free country where they have access to entrepreneurs or have access to a great vehicle, everybody should have an amazing lifestyle, and everybody should be proud of the things they're doing. Yeah. And one of the things that's important to me right now is for people to understand that there's so much more to life than sometimes what they experience themselves, and I just want them to experience sometimes, the mistake I make or the feeling that I have sometimes is that, gosh, I wanted more for you than you wanted for yourself. I tell people all the time, just because for them to experience those things, and that's exactly why we're getting into this world right now, of actually being able to share how people can go about making those changes in their personal life, taking massive action, not just something that sounds nice, not something that just feels nice, but really going out there, just making that single progress every day. I talk to people all the time about doing 2 things in their personal life to be able to. One thing I'm huge on is goals. You have to be a major goal setter. Yeah. You got to be a major goal hitter, right? And you got to focus on activity, manage your activity, focus on your results. Manage what you're doing to get the results that you're doing. Because if you're in business, you don't get paid for results. You get paid only for the results that you're doing. You don't get paid on activity. You get paid on results, right? Absolutely. So I love hanging around people like yourself that are high performance individuals, high seekers that have a great network. Not only because of the fact that you're just fun to be around, but at the same time you have just a lot of good leverage about knowledge as far as how to do this, right? So anyways, I appreciate any last thoughts and comments. What would you suggest to the person right now that's either building a business or wants to take their business to a whole new level?
I would say figure out what is most important to them. What goal is that? Identify what are the relationships that they need. Are there specific mentors? Are there specific influencers, referral partners, whatever? Who already has their ideal perfect customer? Who already has their ideal perfect partner? And just serve and add value to those individuals so they can really faster, velocity-wise, achieve whatever goal rapidly that they want.